Yo, what's up, guys? International old back at it with another one. Hit like button, hit the subscribe button. Greatly appreciate it. Goes a long way. I'm gonna say this. Moving forward, I'm noticing like I'm doing videos 7, 8, 9 minutes, and when I look at the analytics, on average 3 minutes of the videos are viewed. So I got something to fix that. So here's what's gonna happen moving forward. I'm not gonna tell you which video, but there will be videos where if you look at it, in certain parts of it, you'll see a surprise. You'll see a gift card that you'll be able to use if you see it first and redeem it at Foot Locker, Foot Action, Nike, Adidas, whatever. I won't tell you what video it's in. You got to stay tuned to see which video it's in order for you to receive something special. So that's how we gonna do it. So we gonna get that average up. Cause I'm giving you content, man. I'm dumping it. I'm dumping it out this year, and I'm greatly appreciated though. I just greatly appreciate it for the subscribers. We on that hunt to 1,000. I'm at 807, I think. I'm at 800-ish. I'm on that hunt to 1,000. Try to get to 1,000 before the year over. It's September. We got 3 months, 200 subscribers in 3 months. I think it's doable. It's up to you guys. It's greatly appreciated. Like I said, I'm gonna put some surprises in there, so you gotta tell your people. Today, doing a video, I got a care package in. I don't get care packages in, man. Last year, the homie sent me something over. He sent me a couple t-shirts, dope t-shirts. I wore those in the reviews that I did at Faculty Hype for the Travis Scott Family and Friends and the Travis Scott One Load before it dropped. This time, the homie sent me over a care package. He said, hey, man, you know what? Give me your address again. I'm going to send you a care package over. And support is greatly appreciated. He ain't got to ask. If he send it, I'm definitely supporting, man. The homie Dirtbag. Shout out to the homie, man. He got this line, good news only. And that's just what it's all about, man. When you working hard, man, this dude work hard. He grinds, man. So when you grinding and working hard, what you want people to give you is good news only. What you working for is good news only. You know what I'm saying? That's all you willing to accept. That's all you willing to take when you're pushing hard and working hard, man. This is dope. Inside the package, it came with his logo on a patch. You know what I'm saying? So that's dope. I'm definitely going to use this patch. I got some patches I'm going to put on the jacket and design my own jacket. So this patch is definitely going on one of my jackets. Shout out to the homie Dirtbag in Austin, man. Austin, Texas, ATX. Also, shout out to the homie Tita. He rap. He's an artist out there in ATX. Shout out Tita. Shout out J Soldier. Shout out new art. Well, he not new artist. An artist that I found out about yesterday. Teddy the Legacy out there in Austin. He's dope. J Vintage. He's dope. Austin. KUTX. The Breaks hip hop show in Austin. Dope. Fresh, Confucius, check them out. Dope. Austin is dope, man. That's one place that got a lot of talent that people not really tapped into like they should. So check them out in ATX, man. But here we go. Sweats, dope, and they thin. It's not that thick material, man, where your thighs be sweating. You know what I'm saying? Good news only, as you can see there on the side, man. Nice material sweats, that thin, good cotton, man. You know what I'm saying? And right here it has his logo right here on the pants. Real dope. Gonna check that out. I'm actually put these on a little bit, let you guys see the fit. Then here we got another pair of sweats. Got the gray pair, man. Patchwork. You know what I'm saying? Got the gray pair here, and then on the gray pair it says good news only in it's like a kind of a light yellow, goldish. As you can see that, good news only. You know what I'm saying? Got his logo on here at the pocket, like the black ones. These are dope. Like I said, they're thin, so I like that because I live in Houston, man. It don't get it get cold, but it doesn't get cold for long. You know what I'm saying? So you don't really want nothing too thick like that, man. But this is. Yeah, this is algodon, 90% algodon and 10% polyester, 90% cotton and 10% polyester. I'm reading in another language. But yeah, these are dope, man. These are thin. This is, like I said, for Houston, for Texas. This is the thinness. This is the level of thinness you want in Texas, man. You don't want them big, thick Mohican Antarctica style sweats, man, where you just burning hot and you gotta take off your jacket because it's too thick and it's too hot. You know what I'm saying? Then right here, we got the good news only in green. You know what I'm saying? We got that in green with the writing on it. This is dope. Size XL. And see, this is thin too. Then here on the side, it says positive people, positive outcomes on the sleeve of the shirt. So if you can see that, like when you do good things, man, good things come to you. When you're positive, you get positive outcomes. When you think positive, you get positive outcomes. You'll have roadblocks and trials and tribulations in the way, but if you stay positive, get to that end goal. The end goal is positive, man. You know what I'm saying? So this is definitely dope. I'm rocking this. I like stuff with positive messages. Good news only. That's all we thrive for. That's all we want in life. You know what I'm saying? So I'm definitely going to check the homie out. If you want some of his clothes, man, I'm going to leave a link in the description for you to check the homie out. Dirtbag, good news only, good people. I'm going to try to see. I got stuff I can rock, like the green hoodie. I could probably pull off with these Chucks. I could probably pull something off like that. Or I got the Presto, green Presto joint. I got these at the outlet for like $26, man. Good steal, outlet steal. So yeah, it's a few things I can pull off with these fits. The gray joints, I can definitely pull off with these. Some people don't know what these are. They just think it's a regular Saucony. This is a collab with Saucony and Pusha T from years ago. I got 4 colors. But yeah, I got a few things I can pull off with them fits. So I'm gonna pull them off. I got the Lapstone and Saucony collab. I'm gonna pull off with them sweat. This perfect. Perfect with the gray joints. And the wording on there is almost the same as the, yeah. It's going down, man. It's going down. It's definitely going down. Winter time, which is probably like 3 weeks to a month in Houston, but I'm gonna be fly and fresh for the couple weeks to a month. Greatly appreciate it if you checked out the video, man, in its entirety. Like I said, I'm gonna have some stuff for you guys to check into these videos and keep an eye out. You gotta watch them. It's the only way you're gonna win. So thanks again. Good looking out, and until the next video, you guys be cool.